All righty, time to go, everybody. We're dry in Grand Rapids. There are some snow showers, though, nearby and not that far away, so we will get to that radar momentarily. GR with the tower cam shot right now. Good-looking image of the city. We've got, well, darkness upon us until a sunrise at 8:05. And there's going to be a lot of clouds around from start to finish today. As noted by the icons, they should have the little sunshine symbol behind the cloud there at 9 a.m. But nonetheless, you are not going to be seeing any sun, it doesn't look like, for today. A couple snow showers here in through the noon hour, the afternoon. This looks worse than it'll actually materialize locally. GR, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek. It's going to be a very light precipitation, and there could even be a rain droplet mixed in there this afternoon as these surface temps climb and approach the middle 30s. Right now, we're at 32 in GR, so even a little bit ahead of pace versus what some of the models were suggesting. But so we're not going to rise a whole lot today because the air mass is stagnant. It's just the cloudy, and we're just going to gain 2 or 3 degrees there on a thermometer. Temperatures around the Midwest, well, where's all the real bitter cold? It's nowhere to be found except for some lower 20s off towards the Canadian border. But if that's the coldest that the map has to offer, I can handle that. I think a lot of you out there can as well. A south or southwest breeze at about 5 to 10 miles per hour feels like temperatures, or wind chills, and that's the same thing, and more like the middle 20s as you go outside. Get ready to take those kids off to the bus stop. So here's the model beginning early this morning. A couple degrees, I would say, colder than is being realized on that actual temperature board. So we head for probably around 34, 35 by day's end, with the mildest temps right along the Indiana border, and even up to around 37, 38 showing. The Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, southward of Three Rivers and Cassopolis, and that is the zone where there probably will be a better chance for a sprinkle. But I think the further east that you go, the prospects for any precipitation today are much lower versus along the lakeshore where we're getting the light snow showers at the moment. So we'll call it spotty light snow for a lot of us this morning. Again, there could be a rain droplet this afternoon. Temperatures are going to be very marginal, not just at the surface, but aloft, it looks like, for Friday. So I think a mixture of rain and snow. And whenever you get a mixture of rain and snow, that's going to put a big cap on any type of an accumulation. So I really don't think a whole lot is going to come out of this system overall. Mild temperatures continuing, too. This is week 2 of the forecast period. So you're wondering, well, it's mild right now, and we've got a 7-day, which has 30s in it. Well, things have got to change thereafter. Well, not necessarily. Look at this, January 30th through the 5th of February, and still showing departures from normal, well above normal. It looks like across the northern tier of states, especially this long corridor of moisture, but it's not real heavy, just kind of a light brand of snow that has been arcing in from the southwest into some of our western communities along the lakeshore, particularly now northern Ottawa, Muskegon, and Oceana, including Newaygo counties, a coating of snow on the ground, and you may squeeze out an inch or inch and a half, Muskegon, northward into Oceana for the afternoon. No winter weather advisories, though, nearby, so National Weather Service agreeing, not anticipating a big event from this particular weather system. But again, the best chance for some light snow here into the afternoon closer to the lakeshore. I think anything that comes down is going to have a tendency to melt here in GR. Having said that, I can't rule out a dusting or so. So keep an eye on those roadways as we go forth this morning. Overnight tonight, a better surge of moisture does come northward with some slightly milder air. So notice the model, either rain or a mixture of rain and snow tomorrow morning into the afternoon. We may eventually get a period where some snow is more predominant, especially north of I-96 at some point later tomorrow. So I can't rule out an inch or two northward towards Big Rapids or Fremont, but overall, this will not be a big snow producer. Eventually getting out of here on Sunday, so any flurries or sprinkles departing. Snow amounts looking meager and very wet and sloppy over the next 48 hours. Temperatures, the afternoons, it's January, mid to upper 30s into early next week.